In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your followers and following on Instagram by switching to a private account. If you've been looking for a way to hide your followers or the accounts you follow while keeping your profile public, Instagram simply doesn't offer that option. The only reliable way to keep those lists out of sight from strangers is to make your account private. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your followers, your following, and your posts and stories. Let me show you exactly how to do that. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, look to the top right and tap the three-line menu to open your settings. From there, choose Settings and Privacy, then find the Privacy section. Inside Privacy, look for the option labeled Private Account or Account Privacy. Toggle that switch on. Instagram will ask you to confirm, so go ahead and confirm the change. That's all it takes. From now on, only people you approve as followers can see your content as well as your followers and following lists. Anyone who isn't approved will see your profile at a glance, but they won't be able to open those lists or view your posts. A few helpful notes here. If you already have followers, they'll keep their access after you switch to private. If you're tightening up your privacy, consider reviewing your follower list and removing anyone you don't want to keep. Also, if you don't see the private toggle, your account may be set as a professional account. Switch back to a personal account first, then return to privacy to make it private. The exact wording of the menus can vary slightly between app versions, but the path is the same. Profile, menu, settings and privacy, then privacy. You can switch back to public at any time from the same place if your needs change. Remember that making your account private affects new viewers going forward. It won't recall content that's already been shared elsewhere, so it's always a good idea to think before you post. And that's it. You now know the only Instagram supported method to hide your followers and following from people who aren't approved to follow you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.